Step into the Kia 2019 Optima SX Turbo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 245 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1 adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.